Hi guys, here we are at Boultham level crossing in Lincoln with Joe.
Showing you a tinsy bit up the barrier. That sounds wrong.
No bang.
But there's a slow sort of yonder.
Hey! Absolutely no bang at all. Nice.
There's absolutely loads of sunshine. Good for an angle, guys. Right, this is 406 returning again. On the 1637 this time, this Mills train serves to Leicester.
On Skellingthorpe Road, Boultham level crossing.
Is the chicken?
Is it coming from that way?
Oh.
No, it's coming from Leicester. No, Lincoln.
From Leicester train.
I'm crossing the road. No, I'm not, because I'll get stuck again, won't I? Oh yeah, let's cross the road anyway.
Picking straight up like 5 seconds off. She's gone, but you get a good view there. Hello, Bensod. Hello,
Yeah,
Bensod.
It's a bit bent there, look.
406. Was it dirty to say 406?
Yeah.
I don't think I can see her if it's you.
That's not thought.
I'm getting my crossing route stuff here.
37. 37. There's the trust. I think sign if you want to follow to read it. Then
I don't remember you wasn't pointing at it. Please don't.
I can see us getting stuck.
I can't. You might hope that she's passing over. Yeah, just wait on this end for the freighter. We're not ping everything come back here.
I'm going over the track for the next one.
It's not just vibrate here pretty quick, Jay. We'll see over the barriers.
Down to
Here it comes!
2 minutes. Alright, okay.
There's lines on Jay.
These speed limits are weird. 45/50 on the northbound to Lincoln. 70 going from you.
It's happened.
Yeah.
And Joe says he sees some. I see back all.
I saw it.
I see it.
I can see it now.
It's obviously up there to you then. Oh yeah,
My
I see
iPad can even see it.
it. I see it.
You might pack can even see it, but it needs glasses here 406.
Again. It's like the 3rd time I've seen it today.
Roughly, yeah.
We've got
And that gets annoying.
like 404 at Ralston. Constant. 156 406 to left from Leicester. 156 406 off to Leicester. And up they go.
3 minutes exactly. There it goes. And
Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.